Welcome back. So, chapter 1, we're going to be talking about psychology, the evolution of psychology, how it began, where it came from, where all these concepts and ideas we learn and read about came from. First and foremost, there's this whole argument that's been around for centuries, right? Is psychology a science, a real science? Yes, it is. Right, of course it is. Right? Nobody can dispute that taking a course in psychology is what we're doing today, right? But are you taking a science course? Some people believe that psychology fails to meet the accepted criteria for what constitutes science. Do you agree? Do you disagree? What are your thoughts and opinions? So psychology is the scientific study of the minds and behavior. Right? The mind is a private inner experience. So it can be hard to study that, right? It's not a tangible thing that we can study. Our thoughts are not a tangible thing that we can study. But it doesn't mean we can't study them. They can't be studied, right? You think about things like humanistic psychology. That's when we look at the person as a whole. We study the person. It's everything they encompass, right? Not just through the eyes of an observer, but through the person and who they see themselves to be. We talk about behaviorism. What is that? That's talking about how behavior is conditioned, right? How we learn things and how we incorporate learning into our lives, right? And then we go on to talk about evolutionary psychology. It's evolution, biology, cognitions. It's understanding the brain from an evolutionary perspective, how we got here, right? And then we go on to talk about social psychology as well. The interactions of the people around us, how they have an influence on who we become and how we develop. We study the people around us in our lives and how they relate to the person we are today, right? Attitudes, attractions to people, aggression, group behavior, group think, concepts like that. So in this chapter, we're going to be exploring all of those things, okay? We're going to go into detail about where it came from, how we can study these things, and what it means for us in the larger scheme of things. So get on Moodle, get on Launchpad, read through the chapters, look at the videos, and again, ask questions. Get on that discussion board. It's good stuff, okay? Get on there and we'll be discussing all of this further in the next chapters, okay? Until then, see you later.